Kloss congratulates the Vanderloop equipment team for its well-deserved recognition. For more than 25 years, Vanderloop has been one of the leading retailers of Kloss Jaguar forage harvesters throughout the U.S. We at Kloss are proud to be part of the Vanderloop team.
Nothing runs without parts. Nothing gets fixed without parts. Making sure that we have everything here and everything runs efficiently. Making do with some of the stuff we have. We might not have a specific bolt. Okay, can we go to the AGCO side of things? Did they have the bolt? Maybe Kloss, we don't have the specific one that they want for this short line. Just knowing what stuff looks like, what stuff is, and where we can use it. Making sure we can keep going. If we use the last of a part, and it may need to be restocked, we look at the sales history to see how much has been there, how many times have we used it, what machines use it, how many machines do we have out there. There's a lot of variables that go into it, especially like if it's past post-harvest. There's certain things we're really not gonna need to have multiples of, whereas like filters, we're doing maintenance in the wintertime. You're gonna have a lot of filters in the wintertime. Not going to need so many in the spring and the summer. So you're going to want some on the shelf, but not nearly as many. Yeah, we definitely look at history and certain times a year that you have certain stuff that you want to stock. The amount of inventory that we have is probably doubled. The machines that we cover, we've got way more stuff here. When I started just a few years ago, they still had the short lines, they had the choppers and tractors, but there are definitely more variations of them now. I mean, especially with the autonomous, you don't know really how people, we've done events and seen how customers react to it, but it's definitely something, that's a wave of the future. A tractor with no human in it, big. What's exciting about it is it just opens up a lot more avenues for people to be, like even maybe somebody who can't get up into a tractor that wants to do field work. People who have handicaps or disabilities, opening up jobs for them that way. And not having to sit in the cab the entire time roasting or being, driving the field. There's a lot of different variables in that too. I think it's exciting. And it's like when they came out with cell phones, I remember this. Get to learn something new. I mean, I don't know anything about it yet. Very little. I know how it works. I don't really know a lot about the parts or, what's going to be changing, stuff like that. Are things going to wear out differently because there's not a human doing it? It's a machine doing the same repetitive motions. Are things going to not wear out? Or, is the machine going to be gentler on itself? There's a lot of things that are going to be different with it that are going to be learning curves.